Good morning and Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying good health at your home. Okay students, I hope all of you are doing practice of your all previous lectures, and this all syllabus will include in your first term exams. So you have to prepare all your lectures fully well. Now let's start our today lecture. Lecture number 4. Today topic is ascending and descending order. We will discuss about ascending order. What is ascending order? What is ascending order? When we move from the smallest to greatest number, it is called ascending order. Smallest to greatest number. This is ascending order. In ascending order, we have to move from the small number to great number. For example, look at these stairs. You can see here numbers from 1 to 9. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here is the number 1. It is smallest number. Smallest number. When we move upside, when we move to next step number 2, here it is the number 1, that is smallest number. When we move the next step, next number is number 2, and number 2 is the greater number than the 1. Number 2 is greater number. Now let's move to the next step number 3. Step number 3 is greater than 2. 2 is greater than 1 and 3 is greater than 2. Now move to the next step number 4. It is the greater than 3. Now next move to the step number 5. It is the greater than 4. So student, look at these stairs. In this method, we are moving from the smallest to greatest number. As you can see, first step is 1, which is the smallest number. Next step is 2, that is greatest. Next is 3, 3 is greater than 2. Next is 4, 4 is greater than 3. Next is 5, 5 is greater than 4. Next is 6, 6 is greater than 5. Next is 7, 7 is greater than 6. In ascending order, we have to arrange our numbers from smallest to greatest number. From the small number to great number. For example, here is one example for you. Look at the board, students. Here are some numbers given. Number 2, number 5, number 3, number 7, number 1. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. I have told you what is ascending order. In ascending order, we have to move from the smallest number to greatest number. So first of all, we have to find out the smallest number. Which is the smallest numbers between all these numbers? Here is 2, 5, 3, 7, 1. Which is the smallest number? Number 1 is the smallest number. So we have to write here number 1. We have written this number. So skip this number. Now look at the other numbers. Number 2, number 5, number 3, number 7. Number 1 has written here. Now we have to look at the number 5, number 2, number 5, number 3, number 7. Between these numbers, which number is smallest number? So we have to find out the smallest number. Number 2, number 5, number 3, number 7. So 2 is the smallest number. So we have to write 2 here. We have written this number, so skip this number. Number 1 and 2 has skipped. Now look at the remaining numbers. Number 5, number 3, number 7. Between each three numbers, which number is smallest? Number 3 is smallest. So we have to write here number 3. Number 3 has written. We also skip this number. Now which numbers are remaining? Number 5 and number 7. Which number is smallest in between of these numbers? Number 5. Now last number is number 7. You can see here we have arranged our numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means from the smallest to greatest. Look at the sequence. First number is smallest. You can see, students, our first number is smallest, number 1, and the last number is greatest, which is 7. So understand, in ascending order we have to arrange numbers from the smallest to greatest, from the small number to great number. We have to move in this method. Here is another example. We have to arrange these numbers into ascending order. As I told you, in ascending order, we have to start from the smallest number. So we have to find out the smallest number. 7, 1, 8, 4, 9, 3. So here is the 1 is smallest number. So first we have to write here 1. Okay, 1 has written. We have to skip this number. Leave this number. Now look at the other numbers. Number 7, number 8, number 4, number 9, number 3. In these numbers, which number is smallest? 7, 8, 4, 9, 3. 3 number is smallest number. So write here 3 number. Okay. 3 has written, so skip this number. Don't look at this number. Now look at the other numbers. 7, 8, 4, 9. These are our remaining numbers. So we have to find the smallest number between these numbers. So 4 is the smallest number among these numbers. Now 4 also skipped. Now 7, 8 and 9 are left. Among these three numbers, 7, 8 and 9, which number is smallest? 7 number is smallest. So we have to write here 7, next 8 and 9. Between both numbers, 8 number is smallest and last is 9. Understand, student? We have to arrange in ascending order from the smallest to greatest. You have to keep in mind, when we arranging in ascending order, we have to start from the smallest number. First of all, we have to find out the smallest number. Now next greatest. We start our sequence from the small number to greatest number. As you can see here, 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Okay, student, look at the board. Here is written increasing numbers and ascending order. What is the difference between both of these statements, increasing number and ascending number? Both are same. Increasing number is the type of ascending order. Increasing number is the other type of ascending order. In increasing number, we also arrange our number from the smallest to the greatest number. Increase means to add numbers. So in increasing number, we also arrange our numbers from the smallest to greatest, as we have done in ascending order. Same method we have applied in this method, increasing numbers. Look at the board. Here are some numbers we have to arrange these numbers in increasing order. So I have told you in increasing order we also apply the method of ascending order. So we have to find out which is the smallest number here. So 0 is the smallest number is here. Then 1 has done. Skip this number. Now look at the other remaining numbers 8, 1, 4, 6. So next one is smallest number. One has done. So skip this number. Now look at the other remaining numbers 8, 4 and 6. Which number is remaining? 8, 4 and 6. And in these numbers which number is smallest? 4 number is smallest. Okay. Now next 6 number is smallest and now 8 number has written. Okay student, as you can see we have arranged our number and our sequence are same as it is ascending order. In this order we also arrange our numbers from the smallest number to greatest number. And keep it in your mind students, when you are doing increasing numbers and ascending order, you have to arrange the numbers from the smallest to greatest. Both are same method. Okay students? Okay students, look at the board. Here are numbers 2, 4, 8, 7, 1. Increasing number, ascending order. So in this method, first of all, we have to find out our smallest number. Which is our smallest number? 2, 4, 8, 7, 1. 1 is smallest number. We have to write here 1. 1 has done. Skip 1. Now look at the other remaining numbers 2, 4, 8, 7. Which is the smallest number? Among these numbers, 2 is the smallest number. 2 has done. So skip this number. Don't look at this number. Look at the other remaining numbers. 4, 8, 7. Among these numbers, which number is smallest? 4 number is smallest. Next, which numbers are left? 8 and 7. So between both of these numbers, which number is smallest? 7 is smallest, then 8. So our sequence is from the smallest to greatest. We always arrange in increasing number and in ascending order from the small number to great number. We have to move from the small number to great number. Okay students? Okay, these are some exercises I have done here. Now you have to remaining parts solve by yourself at your home. Okay student, now I move to the descending order. What is descending order? In descending order, we move from the greatest number to smallest number. From the greatest number to smallest number. In descending order, we have to arrange in opposite of ascending order. In descending order, we arrange from the greatest to smallest, and in ascending order, we have to arrange from the smallest to greatest. Now, in descending order, we have to arrange from the greatest to the smallest number. So look at these stairs. In this descending order, we have to move down. We have to move back from the 10 to 10 is our higher step. We have to move back, which is lower than the 10. And here is 9. Now we have 10 is the greatest step and 9 is the smallest from the 10. Now we have to move from the 9 to the 8. So 9 is greatest number and 8 is smallest number. When we move from the 8 to 7, 8 is greatest number and 7 is smallest number. When we move from the 7 to 6, 7 is greatest number, 6 is smallest number. in descending order we have to move from the great number to small number. We have to move from the great number to small number. Look at as you can see here, 10 is greater number, 9 is smaller number, and 8 is smaller number than 9. 7 is smaller number than 8. 6 is smaller number than 5. When we move back from 6 to 5, 5 is smaller number than 6. When we move back from 5 to 4, 4 is smaller number than 5. In this method, we are arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest. 10 to 9, 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6. We have to move back. Okay, students? Look at the board. Here are some numbers. So, in descending order, we have to arrange our numbers from the greatest to smallest. First of all, we have to find out the greatest number. Which is the greatest number here? 2, 5, 9, 8, 1. 9 is our greatest number. As you can see here, in these stairs, in this step, 9 is the greatest step. So 9 is our greater number. After 9 has done. So skip the 9. Look at the other remaining numbers 2, 5, 8 and 1. Among these numbers, which number is greatest number? As you can see here, among the 8, 2 and 5. 8, 5 and 2. 8, 5 and 2. Which is the greatest number? 8 is greatest number. So, we have to write here 8. 8 has done. Now, 2, 5, 1 are remaining. So, we have to find the greater number among these three numbers. 2, 5 and 1. So, 5 is our greater number. Skip this number. Look at the other numbers 2 and 1. In 2 and 1, which number is greater number? 2 number is greater number and 1 is our last number. So student, as you can see, we have arranged our numbers in descending order, and we can see here we have arranged our numbers from the greatest to smallest number. This is our greater number and this is our smaller number. We have arranged our numbers from the greatest to smallest number. This is the method of descending order. In descending order, we have to arrange from the greatest number to smallest number. Okay, student, look at the board. Here is another example. Here are 6 numbers given. We have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order means move from the great number to small number. Move to higher to lowest. So first of all, we have to find out the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? 2, 4, 6, 5, 3, 0. Which is the greatest number? 6 is our greater number. So we have to write here 6. 6 has written. Skip this number. Now look at the other remaining numbers. 2, 4, 5, 3, 0. Among these 5 numbers, which number is greater? Which number is greater? 5 number is greater. So we have to write here 5. 5 has done. Now skip also this number. Now look at the other numbers 2, 4, 3, 0. Okay. In which number is our greater number? 4 number is our greater number. So we have to write here 4. Next 4 has done. Now 2, 3 and 0 are remaining. So which number is greater among these numbers? 2, 3 and 0. 3 is our greater number. Now 3 has done. Look at the 2 and 0. Between 2 and 0, 2 is our greater number and 0 is our smallest number. So we have arranged our numbers from the greatest to smallest. This is called a descending order. In descending order, we have to arrange from the great number to small number. As you can see here, we have arranged all these numbers from the greatest to smallest. Okay, student, look at the board. Decreasing order and descending order. Decreasing order is the other type of descending order. In decreasing order, we also arrange our numbers from greatest to smallest like descending order. Both methods are same. We apply same method in descending order and decreasing order. So, we arrange these numbers in decreasing order, which is our greater number. Among these numbers, 8 is our greater number. Now, 8 has done, skip the number 8. Now look at the other numbers, number 1, number 4, number 0, number 6. So among these 4 numbers, which number is greater? 6 number is greater, so we have to write here number 6. Okay, now 6 number has written. Now look at the other numbers, 1, 4 and 0. Among these 3 numbers, which number is greater? 4 is greater, so we have to write here 4. Now 1 and 0 are remaining numbers. So between 1 and 0, which number is greater? 1, last is 0. So in decreasing order, we also arrange our numbers from the greatest to smallest. Student, understand? In decreasing order and descending order, we have to arrange our numbers from the greatest to smallest number. Both methods are same. We apply same method in both decreasing order and descending order. We have to arrange from the great number to smallest number. Now look at the board. Here are some numbers given us. Number 5, number 3, number 6, number 9, number 10. We have to arrange these numbers in decreasing order or descending order. So both methods are same. Which is the method? We have to arrange these numbers from the greatest to the smallest numbers. We have to move from the greatest to smallest number. So in these numbers, which number is the greatest numbers? As you can see, 5, 3, 6, 9, 10. 10 is the greatest number. So we have to write here 10. 10 has written. Now look at the other remaining numbers. We have to skip this number. Now we have to look the other remaining numbers. 5, 3, 6, 9 are left. So we have to find out the greatest number among these 4 numbers. So which number is greater? 9 is greater. So we have to write here 9. 9 has done. Skip the 9 again. And now look at the 5, 3 and 6. Which number is greater between these 3 numbers? 5, 3 and 6. 6 is the greater number. Now 6 also done. Now look at the 5 and 3. These are our 2 remaining numbers. So which number is greater between both of us? 5 is greater. We have to write here 5 and 3 is left. So we have to write here 3. As you can see, we have arranged our numbers from the greatest to smallest. From the great number, 10 is our great number, greatest number, greatest, and 3 is our smallest number. So student, understand? In descending or decreasing order, we have to move from the great number to small number, greatest number to smallest number. And in ascending order, we have to move from the smallest to greatest. Both are opposite. In ascending and increasing order, we have to move from the small to great number. And in this decreasing and descending order, we have to move from the greatest number to smallest number. Okay, student, look at the board. Here are both methods. Ascending order, increasing order, descending order, decreasing order. We have to solve both methods. First is ascending order and increasing order. As I told you, we have to arrange in ascending order from the small to greatest number, and in descending order we have to move from the greatest number to smallest number. So first of all, we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. or increasing order. So we have to move from the smallest to the greatest number. So which is our smallest number? 9, 3, 5, 6, 7. Which is our smallest number? 3 is our smallest number. Okay, 3 is done. So we have to skip this number. Don't look at this number. Look at the other remaining numbers. 9, 5, 6, 7 are our remaining numbers. So we have to find the smaller number among these four numbers. Which is the smaller number? 5 is the smaller number. So we have to write here 5. 5 is done. So skip this number. Now look at the other remaining numbers. 9, 6 and 7 are left. Now we have to find the smaller number between these three numbers. 9, 6, 7. Which is the smaller number among these three numbers? 6 is the smaller number. We have to write here 6. 6 has done. Skip this number. Now look at the number 9 and number 7. Which is the smaller number between both these numbers? 9 and 7. 7 is the smaller number. Now 9. We have to write here 9. In this method we have to arrange from the smallest to greatest. We have to move from the small number to greater number. Now move to the descending order. This is the opposite of ascending order. In ascending order we have to arrange from the smallest to greatest. In descending order we do opposite to the ascending order. In descending order we have to arrange from the greatest to smallest number. It is the opposite of ascending order. So first of all we have to find the greatest number. 8 is our greatest number. Now 8 is done. Now look at the other remaining number 1, 4, 0, 6. In these numbers, which number is our greater number? 6 is our greater number. So we have to write here 6. 6 has done. Now look at the other remaining number 1, 4, 0. So in 1, 4 and 0, which is the greater number? 4 is greater number. We have to write here 4. 4 is done. Now 1 and 0 are left. In 1 and 0, which is the greater number? 1 is the greater number, and at last we have to write 0. So in descending or decreasing order we have to move from the greatest number to smallest number. Okay students, understand? In ascending or increasing order we have to move from the small number to great number, smallest number to greatest number, largest number. In descending order it is the opposite of ascending order. In ascending order we have to move from the smallest to greatest. In descending order we have to move from the greatest to smallest. Okay student, understand? Now remaining parts you have to solve at your home with the help of your parents and tutors. This is your homework. Do practice of book page number 26 to 30 plus learn plus write times table 3 plus 4. Students, you have to solve the exercises on page 26 to 30 and you have to write times table 3 plus 4 at your notebook. Okay student, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Allah Hafiz.